Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll tell you how safe this car is. The B-Class has consistently received 5-star Euro NCAP ratings, thanks to the full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard safety features include active brake assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, driver attention assist, multiple airbag including side and curtain, and optional features like adaptive cruise control, active lane change assist, and traffic sign recognition. Crash protection is excellent, with high scores in adult and child occupant safety. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.